Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look. Honestly, this is one of my most favorite makeup to wear. There is no foundation involved. It is a no foundation, no makeup look. And I thought it would be more perfect to back to school, or if you're going to a work, or if you're out to run some errands. I thought this would be more perfect. And if you don't want to pile on makeup products and you want to look more natural, I think this is the perfect look to create. Or really anytime you want to look more natural, you can always create this sort of look. And it is free of foundation. We don't want to apply any foundation in day-to-day basis and sitting there in our skin for whole 8 hours. So I think this is the best look. But what we're going to do is, we're not gonna leave our skin bare. Instead, we're gonna make it look a little bit even tone, a little bit balanced, and a little bit more natural. So without giving too much hype, I think we must get into our video. Alright, since this is a no foundation makeup look, we're gonna focus more on the moisture of our skin. So I'm gonna go through the moisturizer, serum, sunscreen, whatever you prefer. This look is something that's going to give you a more natural look. That is where you can see through our skin. I have taken a Wonder Beauty Glow Head Illuminating Oil. So I have a bare face now. I haven't applied anything. So I just washed my face. Now I'm going to apply the serum on my face. I have just taken a little amount of serum. And I'm going to apply it all over my face. Just press it all over your face. Don't rub it on your skin. You might break the formula, so just press it. Now I have applied my serum. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. Before getting into the moisturizer, I'm going to apply some eye cream for the extra hydration under my eye area. So I have taken, okay, let me show the product. I have taken Elensilia CPP. This is something I bought from the Soko Glam website, and it's a Korean product. And it is something that has collagen in it. It helps to improve the skin elasticity, and it helps to reduce the fine lines. I just applied a very little amount under my eye area, and I'm using the ring finger, and I'm gently patting all over my eye. Don't rub your skin. The skin around your eye area is more sensitive, so be gentle. Fine, I have applied my eye cream. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. So I have taken, Super Aqua Cell Renewal Snail Treatment Moisturizer, and it's also from Soko Glam website, and it is also a Korean product. And I have taken 2 pumps of moisturizer, and I'm gonna apply it. So this look is something that I always prefer. Honestly, this is my most favorite look. Most of the time I roam around with this kind of look. I always wanted to show this look to you guys. Now I have applied my moisturizer. Let that sunk in for a while. Meanwhile, I'm gonna talk about my concealer. Why do we take concealer today is we do have a hyperpigmentation or the dark circles, so we're just gonna hide that, and we're not gonna use any foundation today. So I have taken this concealer, and this is from Makeup Forever, and it's Ultra HD concealer. I so freaking love this concealer. It feels very thin and light. It doesn't feel heavier or tighter around your skin area. I have told you, Too Faced concealer is also something like that. It has a coconut water in it and hyaluronic acid, I guess. So it also feels more hydrated, and it doesn't give that tighten feel. But why I haven't taken that today is because of the shade. That the Too Faced concealer shade is kind of lighter, and I think this is very close to my skin tone. So I thought of using it today, and now we're gonna begin. I have a dark circle, very visible dark circle around my eye area, and I do have a breakout. I had a pimple 3 or 4 days back, and it's almost leaving a mark. So we're gonna hide this today, and I do have a little hyperpigmentation around my mouth area, and we're gonna hide that today, and rest is all good. So we're gonna ignore that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm taking a little bit of concealer in the back of my hand. Oops, I think I'm done with it. Oops, fine. Before starting, I'm gonna tell you, like, if you do have a very visible or obvious dark circle or hyperpigmentation, I would say apply a color corrector first and then go on with a concealer. If you go directly with a concealer, then you're gonna look gray in a while. Now I'm taking a very little bit in my ring finger. Whenever you go near your under eye area, make sure you use a ring finger, whatever it might be, use your ring finger. So I have taken a little bit and I'm applying it under my, applying it around my eye, and I'm blending it. You can use a blender too, but today I'm using my finger. So I applied all over my eyes. I think I'll go on with a blender. I know it's kind of yellow, but still once we set this, it's gonna look more even. Boom, look the difference. This side looks more even. Now I'm gonna conceal. I think we're good with the side. Maybe I have a little redness here. Cool. I do have a little redness over my nose. Take it light, or else it won't look more natural. Yeah, we're all set. I think it looks perfect. I still got a lot of concealer left. Now what I'm going to do is take a damp blender and run over it. Just to give that more natural finish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a sponge like this, and I'm gonna set it with a setting powder. Don't take too much of powder, just take a little bit, and I'm gonna run through all over my face. This is just to set all the products. Aiming for that natural look, so make sure you don't overdo it. So I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I have taken Trestique, just a thin coat, just to open up your eyes. So I have applied a mascara. I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter. Why I'm adding a highlighter today is applying a highlighter on your bare skin gonna give you that extra glow. And I have taken Laritzy Cosmetics Liquid Beam Highlighter, and it's in the shade Topaz. I'm applying it in the highest planes of my face, that is on the forehead and over a cheekbone, and I'm going to touch a little bit over my nose, that is the bridge of my nose. I'm not gonna create that straight line. I'm just gonna apply a little bit over here and the tip of my nose, and I'm spreading it all over the bridge of the nose, and I'm adding a little bit in the chin, and I'm also gonna apply some blush, and I have taken Stilla Cosmetics liquid blush, and I'm applying a very little drop. It's highly pigmented, and I always like to sweep my blush in an upward motion towards my hairline. For some reason I don't like to apply in the apples of my cheeks. If I did, I look like a 4-year-old or something, so I always like to apply it below my highlighter towards my hairline, and I like to sweep it. What we're gonna do now is, you can either apply your lip balm, just your lip balm alone, or you can add some lipsticks. I think I'm gonna do the lipstick today. So I have taken NYX Powder Puff Lippie, it's in the shade Puppy Love. So what I'm gonna do now is, I'm gonna top it with a gloss, and I have taken Floss lip gloss, and I'm gonna set it with a setting spray. I think we're all set. So this is our final look, more natural, glowy, and you can see through our skin. Hope you love this look. If you did, please do like this video, share with your friends, and if you have any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.